Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get more alpha packs in R6. Alpha packs are a fantastic way to unlock exclusive cosmetic items for your operators, adding a personal touch to your gameplay. The primary method involves simply playing matches in Rainbow Six Siege. Every match you complete contributes to your alpha pack roll, and winning those matches gives you a much better shot at earning one. Let's dive into the best strategies. Understanding the alpha pack roll system is key. After every match, your alpha pack chance percentage increases. Winning a match provides a substantial boost to this percentage, making it climb much faster. Once you receive an alpha pack, your accumulated percentage resets to 0 and the cycle begins anew. This system encourages consistent play and rewards victories. To maximize your alpha pack acquisition, focus on playing ranked or unranked matches, as these typically offer better percentage gains. Playing with a consistent squad can significantly improve your win rate, directly impacting your alpha pack chances. Additionally, completing daily and weekly challenges earns you renown, which can be used to purchase more alpha packs directly from the in-game store. It's a two-pronged approach. Beyond the role system, renown is a crucial resource. You can purchase alpha packs directly from the in-game store using your accumulated renown. Furthermore, the Battle Pass frequently offers alpha packs as rewards at various tiers. Progressing through the Battle Pass provides a reliable stream of packs. Make sure to save your renown for these purchases to boost your collection even faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.